Tommy Lee has been formally charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition after a gun was found in his waistband.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, Dancehall Entertainer Lee Sparta, whose given name is Leroy Russell, has been arrested and charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Russell was arrested on Monday the 14th of December about 6 p.m. on Auburn Road in New Kingston, after a vehicle in which he was traveling was intercepted by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Specialized Operations Unit. The men in the vehicle were searched and the firearm was found in Russell's waistband. The DJ remains in police custody and is to appear in court to answer to the charges on the 6th of January next year. He is also the subject of other criminal investigations. Now, early on Tuesday the 15th of December, the management team of the Dancehall Entertainer said the artist had hired Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Finson and Donahue Martin as he fights allegations that he was found in possession of an illegal firearm. This info was shared in a press release which reads as follows. On behalf of Boss Lady Music, official management and record label for Leroy Jr. Russell, aka Lee Sparta, we would like to inform all the supporters that he and several other members of the team were arrested last night and are currently in custody. We have sought the services of Mr. Tom Tavares Finson, QC, and Mr. Donahue Martin, and kindly ask for all inquiries to be directed to Mr. Russell's legal representatives. Before official charges were laid against the DJ, one of the attorneys representing him had said the parish court had ordered his client to be released or charged by 8 a.m. on Thursday morning, the 17th of December. Martin, acting on the instructions of Tavares Finson, made a verbal habeas corpus application before Her Honor Jacqueline Wilcott in the corporate era parish court. At the time of his arrest, the police say the entertainer was arrested on reasonable suspicion of illegal possession of firearm. It is understood that a 9mm Glock pistol with an extended magazine containing 18 rounds of ammunition was seized during the incident in which the DJ was arrested. It is also understood that 7 others who were also taken into custody are being investigated by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Unit.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!